I would like to say thank you very much from the bottom of my heart for your support Miss Grand International. And I bring all your winners coming back now. Emma Tiklao. Are you happy to see her? Thank you so much for all of you too.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Alam niyo naman po, itong tagumpay na ito ay tagumpay po nating lahat. Maraming salamat po. The power of bayanihan. We got the back-to-back victory.
Congrats!
I hope to see you all tomorrow. It's gonna be a grand homecoming parade, and CJ Piazza and a lot more queens will be coming there. Also, my first runner-up, Gatchabel from Thailand. To see you all. Kaya I hope to see you all tomorrow.
Thank you so much.